Hey guys, so today is Sunday, December 8th, and this is the beginning of my finals week vlog. Finals officially start tomorrow. I have my first final tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. Then I have 2 papers due on Tuesday, and my presentation is on Wednesday. And then I go home on Thursday for winter break. So it's not too hectic, but I thought it'd be interesting to kind of like vlog my first finals week experience. My high school finals were never like this official, so it's a little bit new to me. And I just wanted to share with you guys how I'm preparing, how I'm remaining relatively stress-free, and just all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's about 12:51 right now, so I've already went to the gym today, and I did sleep in. I slept in until like 10:30ish, which is probably the latest I've slept in a really long time, just because I studied like so much yesterday, so getting a little bit of a late start. But today, since my math exam is tomorrow, I need to study and learn the most recent chapter, just because we haven't been tested on that yet. Like, we just learned it in class last week, so I'm not too great on it, so I need to learn that. I also need to like study my math flashcards and just make sure I'm refreshed on all the formulas that I need to have memorized. I also need to start my entrepreneurship project, which is the presentation I'm doing on Wednesday. I have not started that yet, however, I'm not too worried about it because it's not until Wednesday anyway. I also think me and my friends might go ice skating later today, just to like take a break from studying, have some fun. We might go to the one in Calabasas. It's kind of far though, so we'll see if that actually works out. So yeah, that's my day. So you're probably wondering why I really don't have that much going on for finals week, why I'm not that stressed. And basically, I've just been preparing for a while. Like, I prepared all last week, so my workload isn't too much. I don't think I'll need to cram at all. And basically what I've done this week, and what I've pretty much done all semester, is I have in my notes app a layout of every single day of the week, Monday through Sunday, and I basically just like do checklists of everything I need to do that day. And all through last week, I wrote down like when I needed to work on my essays, when I needed to work on my project, like what days I'd be focusing on what assignment, just so I could like spread it out more and obviously not have to cram. So I'll just show you guys what I have for this week. I basically just like lined out everything I want to get done each day of the week. That way I can just make sure I'm like checking everything off my list, not leaving anything to the last minute. As you can tell, I am a very organized person. I think that's always helped me like prepare for big assignments and tests and stuff, because I'm always like pretty on top of it, because I know I do not deal with stress well, so I try to eliminate it as much as possible. So I'm gonna start studying for math here. I'm not excited about that. I'm not too great at math, but I think this exam should be good. Like, I'm doing pretty well in the class, so hopefully I remember everything. It's more of a matter of like if I remember how to do it, so I'm just like trying to refresh myself on everything. But yeah, let's get to studying. It's about 2:30 now, and we're taking a little study break. We're gonna head up to Calabasas for ice skating. It's actually like 45-50 minutes away, so not too bad, and like we'll be back by like 6 at the latest. So I guess I'll get like all my work done tonight. Didn't get too far on the math stuff, but you know what? It's fine. I'm not stressing. It's gonna be fun. So much colder here than it is in LA. It feels way colder.
We're in LA, bruh.
Thousand Oaks is not LA.
Okay, well, it's windier here.
It's windier. We're like an hour away. Ready, ladies? You guys go. Oh, look at her. I actually used to be so good, and now I can only move one foot at a time.
Go off, queens. Go Elbells. Look at her go.
You know what's weird is not being freezing when you're ice skating. It's like probably like 55 degrees. That's like unheard of in Maryland. I'd always be freezing. So kind of bad news for me. It's like 8:40 now and we just got back, so that was a bit of a longer outing than I'd planned. I still have to learn sections 4.4, 5, 7, and 5.4. I also just don't think I'm gonna have time to start my entrepreneurship project today, so that's a little bit worrisome, but once again, it's not due till Wednesday, so like if I can just work on it tomorrow night and Tuesday night, I should be good. Hopefully. Okay, comfy clothes are on, and now I can just grind for like the next 3 hours straight. Wait, oh my god, this is so cute. Ella, Merry Xmas, love you, JB. So either Jordan Bambalis or Justin Bieber wants to wish me a Merry Christmas. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so we got a peppermint face mask, some M&Ms, bunch of other candy in here. Ooh, and a little perfume action. Oh, my friends are the best. Well, at least now I have candy to make this a little bit more enjoyable, but seriously though, guys, I am a little bit struggling here. I just really have not paid attention to all these past like 2 weeks of math, and now I'm just really confused. Of course, this happens right now. So it's about 11 o'clock now, and I got through all my practice problems, so now I'm just gonna go over like all the flashcards I have, and then I'll probably go to bed before midnight, hopefully. I know I do much better work in the morning than at night, so I'm trying not to stay up too late, instead just like get up at like 8 or 9 every morning to do my work, so we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so it is around 10:17, and I got up a little bit later than I hoped. I set my alarm for 9 and then I got up at 10, so not a great start for finals. But yeah, my math finals at 2 today, so I still have a lot of time to study. Oh, I'm with Mia here. Got my caffeine, and it's gonna be a good day. You guys ready to grind today?
Yep.
Wait, do you have anything today?
I'm gonna write my little essay. I'm gonna study for philosophy final tomorrow.
Sounds good. I need to start the entrepreneurship project. This is the most I procrastinated anything in a really long time. I know my 2 essays due tomorrow, I finished those because that's how I procrastinated studying for the math final.
Oh, good.
I wrote my essays because I'd much rather do that. LMU being so wholesome.
How pretty. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Oh, we put a belt. I love that it's Christmas and it's like 70 degrees. It's like,
wish me luck. Kill it.
Bye, good luck. There she goes.
After her first final of college. Ready.
Okay, first final. So I'm officially done with my one and only exam. It actually wasn't that hard either. I don't know why I was getting really worried there for a minute. So I can check that off my list. I also picked up some packages that I've been needing to do for a while, so that's done. And the rest of the day, I just need to go to the gym at some point. I need to finish my papers and hopefully just like submit those early if I feel good enough about them. And I need to actually start my entrepreneurship project to do on Wednesday. So I opened this package that I picked up today, and it's a little care package from my family. There's like just a bunch of snacks in here because obviously they know finals week involves a lot of food. I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to eat all this food before break, but maybe I can just give it out to people. But there's like a lot of stuff in here. Okay, we're off to do more studying. Jordan, you're so special. Wait, what does it say? You got
this, you're a rock star.
It's so cute. They like you. Look at me. Nothing. It's blank. Not even reading it. We're just gonna submit. Wait. Oh my god. I'm scared. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Submit. It's not loading. Oh, yay. Yay. My 20-page paper for my first year seminar. 20 pages. Submit. Yay. Woo. And finally, the last thing I have to do is work on this project that I've been avoiding for like a month, but it's fine. I still have 2 days.
Did you still not
Hi! Sleepover! Got a lot done on my project, and then I have nothing tomorrow, so I can just work on it all day. And you have 2 exams.
Yeah, 2 exams.
Bruh, Mia's literally done for semester. Oh my god.
Going.
You got everything in there?
No, I already brought like 3 loads of stuff.
Oh. I don't know how I'm gonna pack everything to go home. Like, little makeover action.
Jordan.
Oh my god, that doesn't even look like me.
You look like Kendall.
That's crazy. Oh!
Queen, look at that.
Whoa. It looks so good on camera.
I know, it's the point.
Yeah, Mia knows her stuff.
Oh, the warm lighting. Holy sh! Wait, that's so scary! Jordan, you look really good.
Oh, thank you.
So good.
I
Oh,
don't even know how to like.
You're peeking right now.
Oh.
this is like, wow.
What do I do? My eyes.
Okay, move your hair around.
It looks so good.
Your hair is like,
I'm like, hey! Oh!
Sleepover.
Woo! I have 2 finals tomorrow. It's 1 a.m. Oh my god, I look like a boy. Hi, Mia.
get out of my room. We just can't get enough of you.
I know, we just love you so much.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. So today's agenda is actually super chill. Like I mentioned, I don't have any actual exams today, and the 2 papers I have due today I turned in last night, so a little bit ahead of schedule actually. So basically I have all day to work on this entrepreneurship project. It's gonna be kind of a lot, but like I got a good amount done of the base work last night, so hoping it's not too much of a like stressful day, maybe. I also want to try to go to the gym again, get a workout in. We'll see if that happens. And yeah, that's the to-do list. Let's go. Me for a whole month.
Hello. I have like all this.
Wow.
Look how packed it is back here. It's
Oh
like
my God.
I have my like full hamper, and then I have my whole backpack.
I need to fit everything in like a suitcase. Yeah. It's been almost 5 hours now, and I think I might be done my presentation. I definitely spent like way too long making it look pretty, but I think my teacher will appreciate it and hopefully it'll give me like a better grade because it's really cute, I think. So yeah, with this done, all I have to do is go to my meeting tomorrow and like present this, ask my questions, and then he'll probably give me some notes, and then I can film the final project and hopefully submit that before I leave on Thursday. Anyway, it's like 5 p.m. right now, and honestly I think I might just skip going to the gym today. I'm just really tired. I've been working for like 7 hours, so I'm just gonna chill for a minute. Study break! Cheers, ladies! Cheers! Finals, let's go. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday, meaning it is the last day of my finals week because I leave tomorrow. So on today's agenda, I'm presenting my project to my teacher. He's gonna give me some notes, and then I'm gonna try to submit the final version of the project tonight. I need to like film myself presenting it and then email it to him. I also need to send back the textbook I rented, so I'm gonna drop that off in the mailbox. And because I skipped out in the gym yesterday, I'm gonna make myself work out today. It's gonna happen. I will fit it in somewhere. It's about 11:11 right now. My meeting's at 11:30, so I'm gonna go head over, drop this package off, and we'll see how it goes. So the meeting went well, except he gave me a lot of notes and I need to make a lot of changes to my project before I submit, and really wanted to submit today. I don't know if that's still possible, but I'm gonna try. It's due Friday, so like if I don't submit today, it'll be fine. I just have to like work on it at home, which would suck, but definitely doable. So I'll just be doing this for the rest of the day. It's about 3 p.m. right now. I spent like 2.5 hours working on my project, and like I think I'm done. It's not amazing, but I think it might be good enough to submit. So now all I have to do is film the presentation. It's like a 5 to 10 minute video and with like no editing, so I think I can just like film 2 versions and see which one I like better, and we'll see. Honestly, I think, should I film it here? Maybe No, actually, I want to have my laptop in the background, maybe like over here. I just don't get why we need to do like a video and a meeting when we could have just presented this to him in person. Kind of a weird project, but I'm just so excited to be done. Okay, I am really going so extra for this. I'm gonna set up the tripod, the camera, all that stuff. Hoping if it's like a good video, that might kind of factor into my grade a bit. Got the notes, camera, presentation. We'll see how this goes. Hello, my name is Ella and my company is called Tip and Dip. Submit and submit. Guys, that was the last thing I had to do. I am literally done with first semester. Like, no more responsibilities for a month. It's gonna be a little weird, but oh my god, I'm so excited. Yay! I may have brought too much stuff, but anyway, good morning guys, or good afternoon. It's about 1 p.m. right now on Thursday, December 12th, and I am going home. Look at all this stuff I'm bringing. I literally have this giant suitcase, my backpack, this tote bag, and then a duffel bag. So I may have overpacked just a little bit, but you know, I'm going home for a month, so I think I'll probably use all the stuff, right? Maybe. I'm just hoping it's not overweight. I think the suitcase might be good because it's all clothes, not like shoes or anything like that. So it's like not that heavy, it's just super full. I am so excited to leave you guys. Okay, LAX terminal number 1. Goodbye room.